Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So today I am thinking about showing you my room tour and my rooftop tour. I have been promising you that I am going to show my room and rooftop for a long time, but I have not been able to do it. I know this is not the right way to approach things, but yeah, this is how humans are. They procrastinate things and then they do it at the very last moment. This is not the last moment. I'm not shifting to India. I wanted my room to be clean when I returned from India, so I did the cleaning of the room. But there is one, so I thought that this is the right moment for me to show you the room. But there is one thing that goes on my mind all the time, that is it better to live in a share house, or should I live in an independent house, or should I live in an apartment? So considering all the aspects and the rent that my half of it my company is paying, so considering all these aspects, I have been living in the share house. Maybe after I get married, maybe I'll shift to some other independent house, but for now I think since I am paying only 35,000 as rent, including gas, electricity, water, I think living in a share house is a better option for me. What would you do? Let me know in the comment section that if you were a bachelor living in Japan, so would you prefer a share house, or you would prefer an independent house, or an apartment? Out of these three, my preference has always been an independent house, but since right now I'm a bachelor, so I can afford to live in a share house. Also in the share house, you don't have to worry about gas, water bill, electricity bill. You don't have to worry about it. Just use it as much as you want. This makes me live in a share house more. Well, this is the second-hand shop near my house. The name of this shop is Treasure Factory. A lot of good things are there in this shop, though they are second-hand. But you know, like in Japan, even the second-hand products are very good. Signal, signal, signal. Let's cross it. This hotel looks very good, right? It's so much in open area. I like this one a lot. I've never been to this, but yeah, I like this one. Who says there is no traffic jam in Japan? No, it's not traffic jam, it's the signal. See, this is a salon. I think this is very expensive one. Well, right now I'm going to Gyomu Supa. It's a supa, like a supermarket in which you can get all the household stuff like onion, tomato, cold drink, and a lot of things. So yeah, so that when I come back from India, I don't have to go to different shops to buy onion and all these basic things, so that I can use them whenever I want. I don't have to run here and there at that time. Like there is a saying, work hard now so that your future is in peace. So yeah, I'm following the same thing. I'm working hard right now, so that when I come back, I am in peace. This is here I have parked my bicycle. This is the bicycle stand, and this is the cars parking area. Okay, and let me show you Gyomu Supa. There you can see still. Let me show you. The sakura leaves looks like. Yeah, it's almost over. The season is over, but yeah, only few are left here. So this is Gyomu Supa. Now let's go inside it. Let me take this banana. Today the price is 118 yen. Guys, finally today after a long time I found tomatoes. So these were the tomatoes I was looking for. So let me take many pieces. Well, I have taken the necessary stuff, and now let's go back to the room and I'll show you my room and the rooftop, of course. giving you my house tour. Not house tour, but my room tour, because I live in a share house, and share house tour I have already given you. And if you have not watched it, I will put the link there. Go and watch my share house tour video. And next thing is that you have to follow to the Telegram channel, the link of which is in the description, in which I have uploaded movies, which I am not going to say because of copyright things. On that channel I have uploaded a lot of videos and episodes of different programs, so that you can watch, and that too in Japanese subtitles. So people who want to practice Japanese, they can also do practice of Japanese. So it's a basically helpful channel for you. Today you will get to know how a share house room looks like actually, because on the website, if you go and see, it is a slightly different image, and in reality it's different. So it's always better to see something in a video than on a picture, right? So let's start. So this is the first time for you. So first I take off my slippers that I use outside, and I wear my slippers here, which I use inside the room only. And this door makes a lot of noise. See, it's like bombarding. So from here, if I show you, so this is one almirah. Okay, if I open it, so only few stuff I'll show you, because usually nobody shows it, but yeah, just a glance I'll give it to you. So these are, I have kept my brush and earth. Okay, so this is how one rack is there. So let me shut it. Here you will see the button for light. So this is the light, and okay, and this is how the room looks like. So now moving further, so this is to keep your remote, okay, electricity remote. I'll show you how to use it. Now moving further, these are my 2 suitcases which I have prepared to go to India. Okay, now here you can see these are the 2 dustbins. Usually they give 1, but I took 1 from Anna. He got it from someone. So we have 2. One is for plastic, one is for paper. But usually right now you will see I have put this on. Yeah, that I'll do later. So these are some bottles and all. This is the fridge, and on the fridge I have some perfume and all. Okay, and moving on, here you see this is the space. I kept my baskets which I use to cook my food. I take both the baskets downstairs to the kitchen and cook and come back. So here my clothes are hanging, and these hangers I got from Noah, if you remember. So this is the chair that I bought from one store here nearby. Here if you see, this is the window that I show you every time. Today also, let's not break the norm and show you outside. See, so this painting work is going on right now. They are painting that machine. Okay, so let me shut the window, and there is this like net, and another one is this glass window. So for now let me shut the window, and this is my workstation. Okay, so this my laptop, this is the screen that I bought here only. So this also I bought from here. It looks very cute. Okay, and this table was given by the share house only. Okay, so this table, this fridge, and the bed is given by the share house. Rest, the chair and that screen, I bought. Then this is the AC given by share house, and this is the bed. These are the shoes that I just showed you, which I am going to wear and go to India. So this chair was, sorry, my towel is there. So this chair was given by the share house, and this is the one chair I bought. So I bought it for around 4500 yen, but after I bought it I realized that it's already available on Amazon India. Actually I bought it because I liked this kind of chair a lot. It is also there upstairs, so I thought of buying it and delivering it to India. But later I found out that this kind of chair is already there in India in Amazon, so I'm thinking of reselling it in Japan only. So here, these are the shoes which got dirty during Holi. So I kept in the detergent water. Let's see. And yeah, so this is the Almira that is given. Let me give you a quick glance. However, my personal items are there, but I just saw that nothing personal is visible right now. So I'll give you a glance. So this side looks like this. Quickly, I'll show you. And this side also like this. Okay. Then above we see this basket I bought. So this area is also there. Since I'm going to India, these two luggages are here, otherwise they would have been there. So from there also I'd like to give you the view so that you get better understanding of how the room looks like. So this is how the room looks like. Okay, usually people don't show their room like this the way I have showed, because they maintain their privacy. But since nothing private is there visible right now, so I showed my room like that. Now let's go upstairs to show you the rooftop. Let me wear the jacket. Before that, let me tell you the price of this room is 62,000 yen. Okay, INR price I will write here. So after paying 62,000, you don't have to pay any single penny. You can use electricity unlimited, water unlimited, gas unlimited. And since I am paying through my company, so I am paying around 35,000 yen. So the remaining is my company is paying. So all in all, as long as I am a bachelor, this kind of room is fine for me. Let's go to the rooftop. So we have slippers here so that floor doesn't get dirty. You have to wear these slippers and go out. Here, chair is there if somebody wants to rest. So this is the rooftop, and there you can see Mount Fuji mountain, which is one of the tallest mountains in the world. And there, if you see, the train passes by from that. So there are two places, one is this, one is there. So from both the places the train passes by. I request you to come forward. So I want you to show there. See, almost every house in Chiba prefecture, four side open. And there, if you see, we have apartments like Gurgaon and Noida. So people are living on first floor, second floor, third floor. Everyone is living on different floors. And then if I show you here, people have hung their clothes to dry. From there we buy sometimes second-hand things if you want to buy. If you see here, this is the outdoor unit for all the rooms in the share house. From there it starts, and all the outdoor units are placed at the rooftop. And these outdoor units are of Toshiba company, Fujitsu company. So all these companies are there. So if you see here, like this is Toshiba, and Fujitsu is also there. Let me give you the 360-degree view of the rooftop. Anna. Well, right now you can see it's around 11 o'clock, and now I think I should go to sleep, otherwise I will not be able to wake up early in the morning. My morning flight is from 10:40 from Narita T2 Terminal 2. So I will see you tomorrow, and wish me all the best. Thank you very much. So I will see you tomorrow in some other video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun. Whatever you want to write in the comment section. After reaching India, I will read that. Thank you. I'd like to end this video. Make sure that you like this video, press the subscribe button, share it with others. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have